it. So don't be surprised. And there are only two parameters that you have to input. So the first parameter is the item ID. And the second parameter is reference code. So when I generate my item, it was called Mighty Weapon, I will actually receive a unique item ID. And I'll have to insert this item ID here. It's a string, so pretty simple to implement. And the second one is very interesting. So when we're talking about payments, about charging the end user, we should be very careful how to do this. And we should use a secure yet simple solution. So let's have an example. I create my application, Mighty Heroes again. I'm not advertising it though. But so I've created my application, and I've already integrated the in-app billing in my application. So when I make this transaction, when I send it to the API platform, to the Mtel developer platform, I'll actually get a response from the platform, which will tell me if the transaction was successful or for some reason failed. For example, if the end user's bill doesn't have enough credits for this transaction, you'll get a failed status code. Or if the transaction was successful, then you'll get a green status code so that you can continue and enable this item in the application. So let's say that I send this operation, I send this request to the platform, but for some reason, something terrible happens, and my application wasn't able to receive the response from the platform. So for sure, we'll send you a response. As Gilasco mentioned, in some very, very rare cases, you'll get 500 error. But in most cases, you get a response from us. So you get a response. But for some terrible reason, your application might not be able to receive this response. For example, if the network, if the internet fails, right, at you receiving the response, then your application won't receive it. And of course, you make another request. So you tell the user, OK, something terrible happened. This is an error. And I'll try to send it one more time, because I really want to charge you, and you really want to use this item, because it's very cool. It's a mighty weapon. And my application will make a second transaction.